Hey guys, let's make Punjabi Chole Masala. For this, add a little bit of oil, then add jeera. Let the jeera fry. Now add garlic, ginger, and onion paste. Cook it on medium flame till it turns golden. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Now add tomato puree. Cook the puree on medium flame. Then add one green chili. Now add a spoon of green sauce. Now add crushed moti elaichi, black til, cloves, bay leaves, hing, and some black pepper powder along with dalchini powder. Add some turmeric powder to it and garam masala powder. Add some coriander powder and then add Kashmiri red chili powder. Now add salt as per your taste and stir the gravy. Add some water and let the gravy cook. Add some chopped green coriander leaves. Mix it. Then add your boiled and cooked white chole to the gravy. Mix the white chole with the gravy and let it cook for some time. Cover the pan with the lid and let the chole get cooked for 5 minutes. Or then open the lid and mash chole slightly. Mashing is done to thicken the gravy. Now cover and cook for some time. Open the lid and check whether the choles are properly cooked. Add the water retained from the boiled chole to the chole gravy. Mix it and let it come to a boil. Cover and cook it for some time. Remove the lid and check whether the chole and the gravy is being cooked properly. Garnish it with some more green coriander leaves. Punjabi Chole Masala is ready. Serve it with rice or bread of choice. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.